I'm bringing you back to this old coop in style. Yeah, that's right. Let's go.
Oh, God.
I can't remember where we left off. It's been so long.
We were in a hiatus. Last
that's right.
time,
Quarantine.
we got the chicks.
Yes.
And we
built
did
a coop.
We built the coop.
It's over here. We finished the second half of the run too while we've been gone. We've just been kind of throwing it all together. And Kim, take them home.
No, you gotta finish. You gotta close out your time.
All right. So this is pretty much the last time I show. I'll pop up every so often. Got a couple other programs I'm making. This old bimmer. This old tiller.
Yeah.
And this old cub.
Oh, God.
Cadet. Or this old IH. So, here's our chickens. They've grown, as you can see. And we got one in there that's really supporting America look. Kind of looks like an eagle.
I can't zoom in.
Nah,
She's
that's all right. You'll
back.
get in there. We do have an all-white one. Sorry. Just kind of worked out that way. We didn't segregate.
We have white and black. And gray.
And brown.
And brown.
And lavender.
Yeah, and lavender.
Which Kim thought was going to be a boy.
We still don't know yet.
We don't know. You don't know. But they're developing their beards.
Well, except for the Australorps and the or the Orpingtons and the Australorp. They don't have beards. But the Easter eggers do. Okay. See. The kids made some decorations for the coop.
Yep, we posted those up on the wall. We got our bird netting up, so everything is up there.
We have our duster over here. Bobby put that up for them to...
They love strawberries.
Yes, love strawberries.
So we've got a lot of wild strawberries popping up everywhere, so we've been tossing them in. There they go.
And they're running around the back. Woo! Everybody goes. Meow. Anime run.
Yep, they saw a squirrel. No, Lily.
Let's go over here where they're at in the second run. There we go. I'm watching her.
We do have an issue with the dogs. They like to crowd up on the fence. Tiny Rick here doesn't care. He just wants you to throw his con. Lily.
She doesn't. They don't try to attack them. They just try to.
She just wants to see what they're doing.
See what they're doing.
Watch them run if she goes at the fence. She doesn't bark. She doesn't growl. She whines because she wants to play, I guess, but she doesn't aggressively want to eat them or anything like that. She hasn't been digging at the fence.
Oh look, honey, they're using your.
Yep.
Your thing you made.
I guess the dogs just really like watching their own peep show. As you can see, I created a pole for them to dance on. It's horizontal, and they post vertical. Mixing it up. We have a red light that we don't use because they live outside now.
Yeah, but if we know it with roosters, then you can have your red light district again.
No, I was actually going to put up a blue light and have a special.
Oh, okay.
A couple of them will come up still and let you pet them. It's pretty cool. Others will jump on your back.
Brownie. Do you want to give them
odd thing about chickens too, and I didn't know this. Chicken is the only animal that ends with an N.
Okay. Do you want to show them the inside of the coop?
Sure. Oh, we added a solar fan to just kind of get some air movement. It was a test fan. So we're gonna look into getting something like a battery pack that we can add on to it, because right now, only when the sun hits it will this come on. But what else is interesting, we need to flip this because you gotta have this pointing down. the USB port. You can actually charge your phone with it. We believe. We haven't tried it, but I don't see why not. All right.
So that means I can sit out here with my chickens and charge my phone.
We assume. We haven't tried it yet.
All right, inside the coop.
You can see where they roost because they leave their pile of dookie. They pretty much just hang out on those 2 branches by the door. They don't hang out over here too much, which is good because the nesters are here, right, Kim?
Yes, that's the nesters, and we have them blocked off with Girl Scout cookie boxes.
Yep.
Yep. They will be open when they turn 16 weeks. We gotta open up the nesters because they'll start to get ready to lay.
And how old are they right now?
They're about 7 weeks tomorrow. 7 weeks tomorrow.
7 weeks tomorrow. All right.
Yeah. So in 10 weeks, we should start looking for eggs.
Okay.
Yep. So we clean this out every day in order to prevent stinkiness. Keeps everybody nice and happy, healthy.
Oh, we came across some news about people getting salmonella from their chickens.
Please don't kiss your chickens.
Don't kiss your chickens. Don't love on your chickens.
You can hold them.
Pick them up, pet them, but you got to wash your hands. Don't wear the same shoes in the coop that you would in your house. Stop being stupid. I mean, let's just face it, you're stupid. So just public warning, salmonella. It's a real thing. So before we end up with a chicken flu, and I hope there's no chickens out there offended by me calling it a chicken flu, wash your hands. Anything else?
No, I don't have anything else. When it comes to the coop, I mean, it's pretty basic. Oh, we are going to add bottom vent holes, you said.
Yeah, we're thinking about that. We haven't decided, right?
No, we haven't decided yet.
Maybe to increase the airflow. We're still working on that since we've had a stretch of 90 and 100 degree days with a lot of rain. So it's been real humid here lately this year. So we're not 100% on that yet, though.
No, we are thinking about getting another fan to have it in the other window.
But all we're doing is circulating air.
But we're just circulating air up top.
We're looking at if we can increase the flow, which we suspected we might have to anyways, increase the flow from below to raise
to go up. So that way the coop doesn't get, which it doesn't get too warm in there because we don't have any real windows. So it really doesn't get hot in there.
And it's shade most of the day except towards the evening at the hottest point, but they're not going in there anyways.
No. And the fan kicks on by then.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of, are we maintaining a proper temperature by the time evening hits? Because we don't put them to bed until 9.
9 now. Yeah, 9. 9 is when they're ready. They're lined up and ready to go into the coop.
They understand that that's home, and that's when they go into sleep.
But they still like to straggle and make me work for it.
Oh, those little scamps.
They like for me to chase them. I don't have to put them in. They go in by themselves, but sometimes I go out and they're already in, and sometimes I come out and they're waiting for me to put them in.
We have introduced them to the tractor with cutting grass. Did scare the crap out of them, literally. Pile of it everywhere. But that was before we had the second run. They were just huddled over here running back and forth as I would come around, which also prompted us to kind of expedite getting this side done. So when I come around this way, they can run behind the shed.
Yep.
And when I come around that way, they can run back that way. So now they're not as stressed out. It actually, what was this, the second time I've cut?
Third? Yeah, third time.
Third, they figured out that they can just move around. If they don't like the sound, they just
run away from it.
But they're not huddled in a corner, freaking out and squawking.
Yeah.
First time, yeah, they were squawking.
They didn't like it.
But none of them fainted. So yeah.
We're gonna add a couple more things in there. Probably another roost thing like that. And then somebody suggested putting a mirror in there. Apparently chickens like to look at themselves. Like somebody else I know.
That's a Russell thing. Don't blame me. Blame my father.
But in this side, we are gonna do a duster in the corner back there where they they keep laying.
Oh, you're such a baby.
He's talking about the
Baby.
She thinks she's a child.
Oh, baby. So ferocious. I'm a dog.
No, she thinks she's a baby.
All right, I'm checking out. I'll check back in periodically. Make sure she's doing a good job.
Uh-huh. Say goodbye.
Say goodbye, Lily.
Aw. All right, guess it's my turn now. So we'll see how much juice I have left on this phone. So this little lady right here, that is what we have Copy and Cat. This is Cat. She has turned white and black, and she's got some like sandy brown and gray. We have Brownie here. Brownie is our friendliest chicken, and also was the last to feather. So he or she likes to jump on our backs whenever we stoop down, just because she kind of likes to hang out with us. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm very friendly. Hello, beautiful. So this lovely lady here is the one that Bobby was talking about our Miss America. She's a little bit of a orangey brown and grayish blue. She's not as friendly. She's more of our skittish one. I'm sorry, my love. She's more of a skittish one. This is Copy. Copy has a shorter tail than Cat. Not super friendly, but will come up to me since I've been giving him or her more treats. This is Daddy's $8 lavender Orpington. She is looking mighty fine. I do believe she's 100% female now. Her wattle and her comb have not gotten any bigger and have not turned red. Then we have our Marshmallow, which we used to just call Mellow because she was bright yellow. But now she's Marshmallow because she's all white. We have our Black Australorp, who is a female as well. She has not gotten any bigger wattle or comb. We have Mushroom. Yeah, the little Mushroom. Mushroom is still the smallest. She's almost all black. She does have some white and gray feathering within the black, but she's almost solid black. Then again, we have Copy. And this lovely black and white lady here is Cookie. She's mighty fine. And then we have Kitty Cat, or Copy and Cat. Cookie, we believe, is a hen. There is rumor that some black and white Americanas or / Easter eggers can be roosters, but I haven't seen any other markings for her to be a rooster. Now this is Chipmunk. Chipmunk is very, very pretty with her gray beard. She is starting to show some signs of possibly being a rooster, but I don't really think she's a rooster. I think we pretty much lucked out and got all hens. We do have a storm brewing right up the street, so but yeah, so they're about 7 weeks old now, and everybody's doing great. Hold on one second, I have to show you what's going on. Don't mind me. I just have Brownie on my back. This is what Brownie does when I stoop down. She immediately jumps on my back and likes to look around. She will peck at my hair. If I have my earrings in, she will peck at my earrings as well. And if I don't watch it, they will go after my nose piercing. So. But everybody's pretty, she's gorgeous. I think she's a very pretty chicken. Everybody's see, they come right up to me. They're not really too scared. they've gotten better. The more I come out during the day, the better they get with me. So, but my black Australorp doesn't have any more white on her at all. She's solid black now. So, and this is our Buff Orpington, Lou, Miss Lou, who we purposely named Lou because she was so dominant that we thought she might have been a rooster, but she's not. She is just, and she is the softest. The Orpingtons are the softest feathers. I mean, it's like crazy how soft they are. So, she almost looks like a swan. So, but everybody's doing really well. As long as everything, oops, sorry, I just spin you around so fast. As long as everything goes really well and everybody continues to be a hen, whoop, everybody's go run. Everybody, whoop. All right, well that is my cue to go in the house. It is about to storm. And as you can see, everybody's about to freak out. So let me get them over to the coop, and so that way they don't get rained on. So talk to you guys next time with a chicken update. Bye.